Hi everyone, want to design a viral YouTube thumbnails without touching a Photoshop? In this video, I'll show you how to create a click-worthy thumbnails using the Pikzels AI. No design skills needed. Let's get started. First, head over to the pixels.com and sign up for free. And then here, you can in the dashboard, you can start a free template or type a simple prompt like this, and then the Pixels AI will instantly generate a stunning thumbnail. And here you can also customize the face swap or your own image if you want. And you can tweak the AI generated text fonts, colors to match your brand or video vibe. No Photoshop layers or messy edits. Then once you're happy with the result, hit download, upload it to your video, and boom, a professional looking thumbnail, zero Photoshop required. And that's how you design epic thumbnails with Pixels AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment if you want AI content tools. Thanks for watching.